As a millennial growing up in the increasingly demanding world, it didn't help that I wasn't the best in my academics. In fact, I was at the bottom of my cohort throughout my schooling years. I am Yong Jin, and this is my story. It all started when I witnessed the center of my home city, Singapore, transform from a dull to a world-class environment. I knew that I wanted to have a part to play in that, and I had to take the next step to go for it. Despite my early setbacks, my sheer determination to pursue my goals earned me an acceptance into one of the most reputable universities in the world. I love exploring places and spaces, and eventually found myself developing an interest in maps. This naturally enabled me to pick up the built environment as my career path. This interest revolves around my life where in the day, I brainstorm refreshing ideas through the creative side of me to create memorable spaces for people. In the past, I had the opportunity to create experiential spaces with the National Parks Board Design Division in Singapore. These projects were featured on a national level, receiving great public response. I also have a hobby to organize travel plans for friends and family. This has enabled me to broaden my familiarity with places all around the world. I am meticulous regardless of who I deal with, be it my family, friends, or clients. On numerous occasions, I have been commended as an excellent planner and organizer. You can count on me to thrive in value adding to your team. Today, things are changing so rapidly in the name of technology. Human behavior is being redefined amidst crises from pandemics to climate change. For future generations, I strive to create new urban experiences amidst these challenges from the perspective of a millennial. Together, I am ready to take on the future to soar to greater heights with you.